Silence is often seen as the absence of sound, but it is so much more than that. It is a state of being that can bring us into harmony with ourselves and the universe. When we immerse ourselves in silence, we create space for reflection and introspection. This stillness allows us to step back from the hustle and bustle of life and tune into our thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Understanding the nature of silence involves recognizing it as a powerful tool for personal growth and transformation. Silence can illuminate the truth of our existence, helping us to see beyond the distractions that often cloud our judgment and awareness. By consciously choosing moments of silence, we cultivate an environment conducive to insight and self-discovery. Silence invites us to experience the world more deeply, providing an opportunity to connect with our intuition and higher consciousness. This deeper connection can lead to greater clarity about our life's purpose and direction, revealing the paths that align with our true selves. Embracing stillness offers numerous benefits for our mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Research has shown that spending time in silence can reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance creativity. It allows our minds to reset, enabling us to approach challenges with fresh perspectives. When we create moments of stillness, we reduce the noise that can lead to anxiety and overwhelm, fostering a more peaceful mindset. Furthermore, silence can deepen our spiritual practice, providing the clarity needed to connect with our higher selves. In moments of quiet, we can access our inner wisdom and intuition, guiding us toward greater self-awareness and understanding. Embracing stillness also fosters emotional resilience, helping us to process our feelings and experiences without the distractions of external stimuli. This inner calm allows us to approach life with a sense of balance, promoting mental clarity and emotional stability. Silence also plays a crucial role in our relationships with others. It creates a space for active listening, allowing us to be fully present and engaged in conversations. It allows us to digest what others are saying, leading to more thoughtful and meaningful responses. It encourages us to pause before speaking, ensuring that our words are considered and reflective of our true feelings. It can also be a powerful tool for conflict resolution, as it encourages us to pause, reflect, and approach situations with a calm mind. Rather than reacting impulsively, we can take a moment of silence to consider our words and feelings, promoting healthier communication. Learning to appreciate silence in our interactions can lead to more meaningful exchanges and a greater sense of empathy. It reminds us that sometimes, the most profound communication occurs not through words but through the shared stillness between us. Silence can also play a pivotal role in fostering creativity. Many artists, writers, and musicians find that periods of quiet reflection ignite their creative spark. In the absence of distractions, ideas can flow more freely, and inspiration can be found in unexpected places. Silence encourages exploration without judgment, allowing creativity to flourish in an environment where individuals feel safe to express their unique perspectives and ideas. By embracing silence in creative pursuits, we open ourselves up to the possibilities of inspiration that can lead to groundbreaking ideas and expressions. Meditation and silence are deeply intertwined. Silence provides the foundation for a successful meditation practice, allowing us to quiet the mind and tune into our inner experiences. Many meditation techniques emphasize the importance of creating a silent space, both externally and internally, to facilitate deeper states of consciousness. By embracing silence, we can cultivate a fertile ground for meditation, where thoughts can settle and awareness can expand. Explore different forms of meditation, such as mindfulness, transcendental meditation, or guided visualizations, all of which utilize silence to deepen our connection to self and spirit. Establishing a regular meditation practice can lead to profound insights, enhanced intuition, and a greater sense of peace. Nature offers a unique opportunity to experience silence in its purest form. Immersing ourselves in natural environments, whether it's a forest, beach, or mountain, can amplify our connection to silence and stillness. These moments in nature allow us to recharge and ground ourselves, offering a respite from the noise of modern life. In nature, silence is often accompanied by the gentle sounds of wildlife and the rustle of leaves, creating a symphony of tranquility that nourishes our spirit. This connection to the natural world reminds us of the importance of embracing silence, both for our own well-being and for the health of the planet. Despite its numerous benefits, embracing silence can be challenging in a world filled with distractions. Many of us are accustomed to constant stimulation, whether from technology, social media, or our busy lifestyles. This resistance to silence often stems from a fear of facing our thoughts or emotions. Acknowledging this challenge is the first step toward overcoming it. Start small, setting aside just a few moments for quiet reflection, and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. This gradual approach helps train your mind to accept and appreciate silence. Additionally, consider journaling your thoughts and feelings during these quiet moments to explore any discomfort that arises. By reflecting on your experiences, you can identify patterns and work through emotions that may surface. Incorporating silence into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. Start by setting aside a few minutes each day for quiet reflection. This could be in the morning before the day begins, or in the evening as a way to wind down. Creating a dedicated space for silence, free from distractions, can enhance this experience. Choose a comfortable spot where you feel safe and secure, and decorate it with items that inspire peace, such as candles or crystals. You can also engage in mindfulness practices, such as meditation or deep breathing exercises, to enhance your experience of stillness. These techniques help to quiet the mind, allowing for a deeper connection to your inner self. Consider spending time in nature, where the sounds of the environment can envelop you, allowing for a deeper connection to silence. Being in natural surroundings can amplify the feeling of stillness, making it easier to listen to your thoughts and emotions. Additionally, integrating silence into mundane tasks, such as eating or walking, can help cultivate mindfulness and appreciation for the present moment. These practices can help train your mind to appreciate the beauty of quiet moments and integrate them into your life, creating a daily habit that supports inner peace. So, embrace the power of silence and stillness in your life. Take a moment today to sit in silence, breathe deeply, and reconnect with your inner self. Whether through meditation, nature walks, or simply pausing amidst your daily activities, make a commitment to prioritize quiet moments. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If this video resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who are ready to shift into higher consciousness, and subscribe for more insights on spiritual growth and awakening.